People work hard to reduce obesity, yet their weight does not reduce. But obesity can be easily reduced by eating mango. Many dietitians have also described mango as a medicine for weight loss because it has no side effects. The secret of mango is hidden in its seed. Soluble fiber and fat are present in the mango seed. The fiber and fat present in the mango seed are very helpful in reducing excess fat from the body. Eating mango reduces hunger and also burns excess calories from the body. Mango contains a chemical called leptin, which reduces hunger. Low cholesterol is found in mango. Adiponectin found in it reduces cholesterol and increases the production of insulin, due to which excess fat automatically turns into energy. Eating mango increases the body's immunity. Eating raw mango reduces the amount of bad cholesterol in our body and increases the amount of good cholesterol, which makes the heart healthy. Raw mango maintains the health of our skin. Due to the high amount of vitamin C found in raw mango, the beauty of the skin starts improving and the skin becomes soft, smooth, and blemish-free. Eating mango supplies adequate amount of water to our body. The body does not get dehydrated, and eating mango in this summer season relieves our body from the problem of heat stroke. Regular consumption of raw mango also cools the body. Eating mango is also considered very good for our eyes. Due to the high amount of vitamin A found in mango, eyesight increases, and it is very beneficial in removing eye-related problems.